Welcome to the most mind-blowing trip you'll ever take, the journey inside the human brain. Picture this. Your brain is the boss of your body, running the show from a squishy command center in your skull. It's a never-sleeping mega-computer, processing a whopping 70,000 thoughts a day. Talk about overtime. With billions of neurons, it's like the world's most complex network, each one firing off messages faster than you can say synapse. Ever wonder where your memories chill before your next Throwback Thursday? They're stashed in the hippocampus, so when you're reminiscing about that cringe high school hairdo, thank this nifty archive. And it's not just an old storage unit. Your brain is constantly rewiring, making your memories sharper than a tack, or a bit fuzzy. Now, the frontal lobe is your decision-making HQ, folks. This is where you're weighing whether pineapple on pizza is a yes or a culinary crime. It's also the master of language, so when you're spitting out Shakespeare or just struggling with autocorrect, this lobe is on the job. When you get that spine-tingly feeling listening to your favorite jam, that's the parietal lobe at the dance party. It's mixing all your senses into a tasty cocktail of experiences, so you're not just hearing the beat, you're feeling it. It's like your brain's own virtual reality, crafting your perception of the world around you into something you can interact with. Let's not forget the occipital lobe. It's the VIP behind the scenes of your vision. Images hit your retinas, but this lobe flips and serves them up as the visual feast you see before you. It's decoding colors, shapes, and motion so smoothly you don't even realize it's happening. Now, scribbled at the back of your noggin lies the cerebellum, the unsung hero of coordination. It keeps you from face-planting every time you strut down the street and fine-tunes those epic air guitar solos. You want to twirl a pen like a boss? That's the cerebellum hard at work, orchestrating your fine motor skills. Getting revved up or chilled out is the job of the amygdala, your emotional DJ. It drops the beat for love, fear, and everything in between, spinning the records of your reactions to the world. When you're caught in a fit of giggles or a wave of anger, that's the amygdala cranking up the volume. And how about the brainstem? It's like the body's autopilot, handling the stuff you don't think about but can't live without. Breathing, blinking, heart-pumping action, all courtesy of this unassuming brain part that's always on the grind. It's making sure you stay alive and kicking, whether you're awake or fast asleep, dreaming about being a superhero. Last but not least, the hypothalamus is the control center for your inner thermostat and Hunger Games. It checks if you're too hot, too cold, or just plain hungry, and sends signals to get you feeling just right. So, the next time you're craving ice cream on a hot day, that's your hypothalamus keeping your cravings and comfort in check. And that's your brain, folks, a marvel of nature that keeps you, you. Try not to forget it, your hippocampus is listening.